What is a data mart? Let's understand this with an example. Imagine a large supermarket that serves everyone, but inside it, there are smaller sections like a bakery, a dairy section, and a vegetable aisle. Each section only contains what a specific type of customer cares about. That's exactly how a data mart works. A data mart is a smaller, focused subset of a data warehouse designed for a specific business team or use case. Instead of exposing the entire company's data, a data mart might contain only finance data, marketing metrics, or sales performance. In real world projects, this is extremely important. Finance team don't want to deal with product logs or clickstream data, and marketing team don't want accounting tables. Data marts makes data easier to understand, faster to query, and more secure by limiting access to only what a team needs. BI tools like Power BI or Tableau usually connect directly to data marts rather than the full data warehouse. This improves performance and reduces confusion. Data marts also allows teams to move faster because changes in one team's reporting doesn't impact others. That's data mart.